My people, this one no be small matter. As we all know, Governor Soludo has declared that all traditionalists, native doctors, and spiritual practitioners be arrested and wiped out from the state. But here is the big question. Is this truly a welcome development or a direct attack on religious freedom? Let's break it down together, and I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. So the Anambra State Governor, Soludo, made a very bold move recently, ordering the arrest of all traditional worshippers and native doctors in the state. He wants to cleanse Anambra of anything he believes promotes evil and criminal activities. Now, some people are clapping for him. They say, yes, this is good. Too many ritual killings, too many kidnappings, and many of these crimes are linked to traditional practices, allegedly. But others are shouting back, no way. This is a direct attack on religious freedom. The Nigerian Constitution guarantees freedom of worship. If you're arresting native doctors, then what about other religious leaders too? What do you all think? Is this the right move or a dangerous one? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now, this issue took another twist. Reports say that in Soludo's hometown, Isuofia, a town crier went around announcing that all non-indigenous traditional worshippers should pack their bags and leave. Chai, this one loud though. Imagine, someone from Rome or England can come to Isuofia, build a cathedral, and practice Christianity freely. But an Igbo person who is a traditionalist is being told to leave. Wow. Does that sound fair to you? This has been people's questions back and forth so far. Even as we speak, Igbo dibias in Anambra State who are doing okite are secretly taking the ones they made for people and dumping them in the River Niger, fearing that Governor Soludo might invade their shrine at any moment. There's a video that captures where some of these things are seen beside the river. Please check with your spiritual leader to make sure your okite is still very intact and ask if there are any side effects, as they are currently in the process of destroying them. This is very important. Some cultural groups like the Sobali religious fraternity are calling this move a direct attack on Odinani and Ominani, our own very traditional way of life. They argue that if Christianity can thrive in Igbo land, then traditional worship should not be banned either. After all, our forefathers practiced it before the missionaries came, right? Some people are even calling this a manhunt against Igbo spirituality. Do you think this is really true? What do you think? Should Anambra State really be declared a Christian state while pushing out native religion? Or is it Soludo right to remove what he sees as evil? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. We all know that Nigeria is a multi-religious country. Some people are Christians, some are Muslims, and some practice traditional religions. The Nigerian Constitution guarantees that everyone should have the freedom to worship how they choose to. So, here's the key question. Does Governor Soludo have the legal right to declare Anambra a Christian state? Can he ban a religion just because he believes it is linked to crime? This is a really serious matter, my people. Drop your honest opinions. Before we continue, if you're looking for a hot investment opportunities, this is your chance. Ebony People TV is growing so fast and we are taking over digital media in Nigeria. If you want massive returns on your investment while supporting a powerful media platform, this is the time to get in. WhatsApp us now via the number showing on your screen and let's make magic happen together. My people, this matter never finishes. Some are fully supporting Governor Soludo for trying to cleanse Anambra, while others are shouting that it is a violation of freedom of worship. So over to you now. Are you really in support of Governor Soludo's move, or do you think he should reconsider and allow freedom of worship? Let's settle this in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more trending updates. See you in the next video.